Apple is getting ready to make one of the biggest changes in iPhone history, and this time it's not just about cameras or design. The iPhone 18 Pro could completely change how future iPhones work internally, because Apple is finally preparing to replace Qualcomm modems with its own custom-built modem technology. That may sound like a small technical upgrade at first, but this decision could seriously impact battery life, signal performance, privacy, and even the future of foldable iPhones. And now, leaks are revealing why the tech world is paying so much attention to the iPhone 18 Pro. For years, Apple has depended on Qualcomm for modem chips. These are the components responsible for handling 5G connectivity, calls, and mobile data. Qualcomm has dominated this area for a long time, mainly because building powerful and reliable modems is extremely difficult. But Apple no longer wants to rely on outside companies for such an important part of the iPhone. The company already proved this strategy works with Apple Silicon chips for MacBooks and iPads. When Apple replaced Intel processors with its own custom chips, performance improved massively while battery life became dramatically better. Now Apple wants to do the same thing with iPhone connectivity. According to the latest leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro may feature Apple's next-generation C2 modem, and this could become one of the biggest hidden upgrades in years. One of the main reasons everyone is excited is battery life. Current 5G technology consumes a huge amount of power, especially in areas with weak signals or heavy network traffic. Many users notice their battery drains faster when using 5G compared to Wi-Fi or older mobile networks. Apple reportedly wants to solve that problem with its own modem. Because Apple controls both the hardware and software, it can optimize everything together instead of relying on third-party components. That tighter integration could allow the iPhone 18 Pro to deliver significantly better efficiency while still maintaining strong 5G speeds. In simple words, users may finally get powerful 5G connectivity without watching battery percentage disappear throughout the day. And honestly, that alone would already be a major upgrade for many people. But battery improvements are only part of the story. Privacy is another huge reason Apple is pushing toward custom modems. Leaks suggest Apple is developing advanced privacy-focused features that work specifically with its own modem technology. One rumored feature is an upgraded version of Limit Precise Location, which could reduce how much exact location data carriers can access. That means users may gain more control over their personal information while using mobile networks. Apple has been heavily focusing on privacy for years, but custom modems give the company even more control over how data moves through the device. And that could become one of the biggest selling points of the iPhone 18 Pro, especially now when users are becoming more concerned about digital privacy than ever before. Another major leak involves performance. The new C2 modem is rumored to support advanced millimeter wave 5G technology more efficiently. This type of 5G can deliver extremely fast speeds, especially in crowded cities, stadiums, airports, and busy public areas. The problem is that millimeter wave networks also require strong modem performance and better power management. That's where Apple believes its custom solution can make a difference. Instead of simply matching Qualcomm, Apple appears to be designing a modem that works perfectly with the iPhone ecosystem. That means faster optimization, smoother connectivity, and potentially more stable performance over time. Of course, there are still big challenges ahead. Building a modem is one of the hardest things in the smartphone industry. Qualcomm has spent decades perfecting this technology, and Apple cannot afford major issues with signal strength or reliability. If users start experiencing weak connectivity or dropped calls, criticism would arrive instantly. That's why many reports suggest Apple has been testing these modems very carefully before bringing them to the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. Carrier support is another possible issue. Some of Apple's upcoming privacy features may only work with specific network providers at first. That means certain features could launch in limited regions before expanding globally later. So while the hardware may be ready, software and carrier compatibility could still slow down the full experience in some countries. But there's another reason this modem matters so much, and it could reveal Apple's future plans: foldable iPhones. Rumors about an iPhone Fold or iPhone Ultra Fold have been getting stronger recently, and custom modem technology may play a massive role in making those devices possible. Foldable phones have very limited internal space. They also need larger batteries and stronger thermal management because of their bigger displays. Apple designing its own modem could help solve those problems. A more efficient modem means less power consumption, less heat, and more internal space flexibility. That could allow Apple to create thinner foldable devices with better battery life and stronger connectivity. And if Apple finally enters the foldable market, expectations will be incredibly high. Many companies already make foldable phones, but Apple usually waits until it believes the experience is polished enough for mainstream users. That's why the iPhone 18 Pro leaks are becoming so important. They may not just be about one smartphone. They could be the foundation for Apple's entire next generation of devices. The bigger picture here is simple. Apple wants complete control over the iPhone experience, from processors to displays, software, AI features, and now connectivity. The company is slowly bringing every major technology in-house. That allows Apple to optimize everything together, instead of depending on outside suppliers. And if this strategy works, the iPhone 18 Pro could deliver major improvements that users actually notice every single day: longer battery life, better privacy, more efficient 5G, stronger future support for foldable devices. That's why everyone is suddenly talking about this leaked upgrade. Even though it's not a flashy camera feature or a dramatic redesign, sometimes the biggest smartphone improvements happen behind the scenes, and the iPhone 18 Pro may prove exactly that. For more latest iPhone 18 leaks, Samsung updates, and future smartphone news, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so nothing gets missed.